Derale, what does it mean? And how do you say it? A lot of people say Derale, and a lot, so we get all kinds of different names, but it's actually Derale. But the name came from, the engineer had 3 kids, Debbie, Rachel, and Lenny. And he just took 2 letters from each, and that's where the name came from. So it's really kind of a funny story, but cool. And the brand, like I said, it's a name that people can remember. My grandfather was a true entrepreneur as well, but him and his brother in the 40s were, started a chrome plating shop in Chicago. And they were partners in the business, and it was just a, job shop, chrome plating shop. And my grandfather had an aunt that was in Altadena, which is out here by Pasadena, that was, asking them to come out. So literally for a Rose Parade, they said, we'll come out for New Year's and watch the Rose Parade, Pasadena Rose Parade. They came out and it was 70 degrees and it was New Year's Day. And my grandfather said, we're selling everything and coming out to California. And it's true, it's a funny story because you hear that happened, but this truly did happen. My grandfather went back, split from his brother, took all, sold his house. My dad just graduated, he was 18, graduated from high school, and moved the family to LA. More towards the later 50s, he was chrome plating for all types of companies, right? And automotive was just growing here in California. And one of the companies didn't pay him. So what did he do? He bought it. And that's how we got into the automotive aftermarket. So our product line just kept on growing from there. He bought 3 companies between, late 50s and mid 60s. But we were always truly chrome platers. Then he put, the machines that we filmed, so he started buying those machines in the 60s and 70s, and they were all brand new at the time. He'd save money and he'd pay cash for the next one. On this facility, it's 5 acres, 100,000 square feet of building that he built, for this company. And even today, we still sell a lot of companies in this industry products that, that we make just for them. Some are Derale branded and some are not, So, that's the way the industry grew because you couldn't afford to build everything all at the same time. Everybody couldn't build tooling for every part. So it's been kind of fun, but I grew up in the industry knowing, a lot of the different players and different people that were also building the industry. And there was 23 grandkids from my grandfather, and all of us worked here at some point or another, right, over time. Summers and spring breaks, and anytime we could get, my dad could get us out of bed early enough, we were at work. But yeah, it's been fun, and like I said, it's grown, now it's 65 years. Yeah, well, Derale.com, Derale.com, or call us. We have tech guys that answer the phone. They'll talk you through the product. They'll explain. They'll help you install it. Whatever you need. 323-266-3850. Ask for tech, and like I said, good guys that know the product well. I'm Tom Longo, and I am PRI.